Hey guys, it's me, Austin Vance here again. And yes, today is September 18th, 2019, and it is National Ceiling Fan Day. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the video of the ceiling fans in my house, and yeah. So, first we'll start with the ceiling fans in the den. Here's a Handa Bay Southwind. It's currently on medium, and yes, it's blowing a lot of air. So that's that one. Okay, right here I have another Southwind. This one, the light is pretty dim, but yeah, it also came with the ceiling fan remote control, which that's cool. So yeah, I'll turn the fan on for you, or maybe not, but I don't know. So that's that. All right. Moving on to the hot tub room, which I have a ceiling fan in the hot tub room that I want to show you real quick. A 52-inch Harbor Breeze armored ceiling fan with 52-inch latex blades on it. That's that. And I'll show you the ceiling fan on the front porch I have here, which you can't see it. In the front porch I have hold on. I have a Handa Bay San Marino in the porch. That's that. Alright. In my room, I have a 42-inch Mainstays ceiling fan with 2 blades, and it's on high speed right now, which it does blow a lot of air. So yeah, this concludes the National Ceiling Fan Day, and yes, I will be posting some videos of ceiling fans, and I will talk to YouTubers. Bye.